How to create bullet and numbered list in MS Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to format your document neatly on the MS Word mobile app, then you can easily learn to create bullet and numbered lists, which will make your notes, assignments, and reports much clearer and more professional. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the MS Word application on your device and log in. Once you are logged in, open up your document or create a new one where you want to edit. After you open up the document, tap on where you want the list. I'm just gonna select one of the area over here. Simply tap and get your cursor on the page. Once you do that, click on the tools from the bottom of the screen and then select the bullet formatting bar. It is this one over here. Now, after you select it, go ahead and try writing something, and you'll see the bullet point appearing. You can then start typing your first item and press enter and type in the second one, and you'll notice another bullet point appearing. If you want to stop the list, you can tap on the bullet point again after you are done. Keep adding more according to your preference, and you have successfully created a bullet list. Now, similarly, if you want to create a numbered list, then what you need to do is simply go ahead and find the numbered list right next to the bullet point option. After you make a selection, go ahead and write down anything, and you'll notice that the numbered list has been created. Keep adding more points according to your preference. After typing in your items, the Word automatically adds the next number after you press enter, as you can see it on the screen. To end the list, tap on the numbering icon again. You can also switch from bullets to number anytime, or vice versa. If you want to switch from bullets to number or number to bullets, simply go ahead and highlight the numbers or bullet points and select the another one. Just like that, you have successfully learned how you can easily create a bullet list or a numbered list. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.